Today I'm back with the one of the question from the Leetcode, that is you have to convert a string into an integer. String into an integer. This you can say it's an easy question, but the test cases or the criteria or the constraints which is given here makes a bit more difficult, which I have experienced it, but then also I tried to manage to do it and able to do it in a simple way, in a simple syntax, so that now I will make you all understand in that way. So you're gonna easily able to code in whichever language you prefer. So just follow next what I'm doing. So as you know, if you're converting, actually this program is like we have to convert a string into an integer, like string into an integer. So it looks very simple and easy, but the test cases which is given plus the constraints that is being given to be passed is little bit hectic. So let's see if anyone took any string, like example, anyone choose any string. So if in that string, if the leading means first from the starting of the string from left to right, if I'm considering, if you are so you look after each character, then if you find any leading white space, means any white space if you find, then we're gonna ignore that. We're gonna ignore. So basically I'm taking one example to show you all and to make you all understand what does the question wants to say. So this string, if we take this string, so first our step is ignore all leading spaces from the front. So first, by using for loop or by any function, just ignore all the leading spaces from the front. So our string will become like this. These are our first tags. These are first, that means these the constraints. And in second steps, what they have said that if the leading character, after ignoring all this, after removing all this from this string, and if the leading character is is minus or positive, and it is that character should not be a last character. That character should not be a last character means if the leading character, yes, the leading character is minus, uh, they're also saying that if that is the last character, but no, that is not the last character. So we'll check the next line of the step 2. So when we check the leading character till non, then after that we're gonna check our character till non-numeric character. So non-numeric character means the character other than numeric. So here the character other than numeric is this one. Other numeric, if character are the numeric. So whenever we encounter with any of the non-numeric character, we just stop and we're gonna retrieve out our substring, or just we just retrieve out our of a part of a loop, a part of a that we have gone through, part of a distance. We just gonna retrieve out the path of a distance, a part of a distance where where in each index we have encountered with numeric character. We just gonna retrieve out that one. So at last, not at last, but as we encounter till the non-numeric character. So this is the nominal. Here we will in start with non-numeric character. So at that moment only, we just retrieve out this one, because we have encountered here our non-numeric character. So we have got this as a string. So as you can see, we have got this one. Now we will check if next. Now we will again check the string. If next. next leading character. Now we will check that if next leading character is negative. If next leading, we will just assign some. We will take one sign variable and we will assign that one as either minus on one. That will describe our final answer either positive or negative. Yeah. And if not, no sign is given, so consider the integer as positive. So here minus 1, 2, 3, 4. And if next leading means if we starting from the left to right. So first if you encounter a negative character, if you encounter with the negative character, then we will just store in the variable sign as minus 1. Uh, Else if no sign encounter, then we just store in sign variable as 1. So I encounter with minus 1, so we're going to store sign equal to minus 1. So we will now extract the only numeric character from there. So as we extract the numeric character from there, so we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Because for minus we have just uh, 2 point sign variable and just indicated that class it will be our whatever the answer will be, whatever string will be, it will be our final uh, final answer, final result. It depends on sign variable. So now we will convert this string. You can see this string in integer. So how we are converting? We just see that we took one variable that is answer equal to 0. Then while we're gonna run, we're gonna run this. We're gonna run this code like if I less than and I is 0, means I will start from here. So we are for here we are considering I as 0 because I have started from here. So if I equal to 0, that is I equal to 0, that is 0 less than 4, that is true. Now answer is 0, 0 into 10, that's order. In Python, order means you just give the ASCII value of the, just give the ASCII. In Python, just remember this thing that order means in Python, order keyword or order function, inbuilt function just gives the ASCII character of corresponding character that is present under the parenthesis as a parameter inside the order function. So s of I means under s the value that is present at index 0 because I is 0. So at index 0 we have 1. So ASCII value of character 1 is, you can check in the internet that uh, la- ASCII value of character 1 is, it's 48, I think. Yeah, it's 48. It's 41, 49. So if we like 0 into 10, 0 is the value of answer, and multiply by 10 plus 49 is the ASCII value of 49, 1 character 1, and minus minus this one means we just gonna find the uh, ASCII value of character 0 is 40. So 0 into 10 plus, so at last we gonna receive 0 because 0 into 10 is 0 plus 49 minus 48 is 1. 0 plus 1, we are getting, sorry, we are getting 1. Now we will increment 1 by I by 1 and I by 1, increment I by 1, and if I by 1, and like this if we check till the length of this string, and you're gonna find our all the numeric character that is been present. This is the way we just convert from a string to integer here. And if you just do the rest I have done, I've shown you the execution you just do for the till the length of the string. Now we will check our that if sign equal to minus, and one more function was there in our code. I already said it just depends on the constants. If you pass the constant well, then you're gonna pass all the test cases that is given into a program, into our code, into a problem. So if sign equals to -1 and answer is in out of range of sign bit, sign 32 bit means 2 to the power. So means sign 32 bit range means any variable that falls under 2 to the power 2 to the power 31 till 2 to the power 31 -1 means positive values 2 to the power 31 minus 2 to the power 2 to the power 31 whole minus 1, and negative value that is 2 to the minus 2 to the power 31. So if sign equals to -1, yeah, sign is equal, and answer is out of range, that is an, but no, because answer we will at last we will, after executing the our answer will hold 1 2 3 4, and his answer is out of the range, no, because it comes under that range only, it's entered to range. And at last what we will do, as we have executed and this get false, this statement get false, so we come out and we will just execute this line of statement. Now int, what we will do, we just whatever the sign we will have, like sign whatever we sign, either one or either -1. So we'll multiply with our answer and we will get our final answer, and that will be of type integer. So that is minus 1 to this. We're getting this answer as our answer. So this is our actual code. One more thing that I have encountered in executing, like if the string is like this, then what we see that we have first encounter with minus, uh, as we have removed this one, first we're gonna remove the spaces, so string will become plus 1 2 3, by string will become this. Now we will check, the first character, it is negative. Now from the next character, if we found any non-numeric character, if we found, see that the next character is non-numeric character, this one is non-numeric character. So from here only we will just we just retrieve out the part of a traversal. We just means retrieve out us took this substring of it, and we have only got that is minus. We have only, or if we get my plus like this, so we directly return 0. And if the string is of length 0, we directly return 0. And if string is plus minus or either minus plus, we directly return 0. So these are the some cases you will all understand once you will see my uh, go through my lead code. So this was my overall code that I have executed. So once you go through this code, you will able to understand what I have done, and just remember what I have said, how I have took the string out from the string, uh, part of a string from a string. If you just remember what I have said, then you're gonna easily will solve this problem without anything to be done. And I'm not the one that I will teach you code. You will just understand the problem and try to code in your own way, whatever you feel like. Then you will learn the code in a better way. So yeah, so just read question thoroughly and try to relate what I have said. Like only the space characters. Yeah, do not ignore any characters other than leading vice spaces or the rest of this. So till we have to check till the non-numeric character, and as we haven't got, just leave everything apart and just retrieve out a part of a string from a string, and we're gonna work on it. So now let's run this program. If we run this code, Okay, pass. Everything that passed. If you submit, see the code runs fine. Uh, it will take off any times. My code will take off any times, in time complexity. So time is also get. The time complexity is also good. So we have submitted our code. So I hope I'll able to make you understand in a better way. So if you have any query, just comment out to me. Just I will be coming. I will be coming with my next video. Just stay tuned. Thank you.